Hello guys, good evening everyone. My name is Gyanend from English with Village Vlog. Guys, as you know, I live in village area. I don't have any environment. I don't have anyone to speak in English. However, now I can speak English. Not only speak English, but also I can teach English. How? With my method. The method which I applied for me are totally amazing because these methods are working for me. You people think a lot how to become fluent in English. What should I do? What kind of book should I read? What kind of videos should I watch? Not, you do nothing but think a lot. But I'm telling you, if you think, you can't do. So stop thinking. You have to work on this language. So start working on this language. Whatever you are thinking is useless. Until you do anything, it's really very difficult for you. So instead of running here and there, just start speaking, guys. First, complete your basic grammar, and with basic grammar, start speaking. What is wrong in it? Why don't you start speaking? If I were you, of course, I would first learn some basic things and basic words, and I start speaking by myself. Earlier I did this, that is why I am here and I am able to speak English. Of course, I used to be a shy, but now there is no shyness, there is no fear. Why? Just because of my practice, just because of my consistency. So I am here to tell you, don't waste your time. Do, if you really want to become fluent English. So of course, first thing first, you have to find satisfaction for you, such as, okay, in grammar I know such kind of structure, I know basic things, my foundation is strong. So now I need what I need to speak. So wherever you are, no matter whether you are busy or free, start speaking whatever you can observe around. See, if I want to speak whatever is going around me, I can tell you. Even I can tell you what happened to me yesterday. Even I can tell you what will I am going to do tomorrow, what I am going to do tomorrow. Why I am able to speak? Because I speak. Earlier I didn't have any habit to speak, but now I have habit to speak. I don't force myself to speak. Earlier I used to force myself a lot. After speaking one sentence, two sentence, I felt bored. I stopped speaking, thinking, oh my god, it's really very hard not to crack. Even I'm not able to pronounce any word in good way. Even I'm not able to speak properly. But I didn't stop myself. I kept on working on it. So when I started, I first day I spoke only one line, and it was hard not to crack. It was hard not to crack for me. But I didn't stop. Second day I again tried. Third day I again tried. So I tried again and again. Yeah, at the beginning, I know it's a really very difficult. It's a like daunting task. But we have to do, we have to push ourselves. You have to push yourself maybe 1 or 2 or 3 week. After that, you don't need to push yourself. It will become your habit. Of course, you are going to speak by yourself. Earlier I forced my mind and tongue, but I don't now. I don't force my mind and tongue anymore, because now it's my habit. No matter where I am, no matter in I am in front of public or where, now my tongue works, my mind works. So of course, start guys, start speaking. Don't run after this video, don't run after this teacher, don't run after that institute, and don't curse yourself that I don't have anything, I don't have environment, I don't have teacher, I don't have this thing. If I wanted, so I would have made so many excuses not to become fluent in English earlier. But I didn't make excuse. I knew that time that if I don't do anything for me, so I can't do. Other people are speaking, but I am not speaking. Why should I compare to myself other? No, you can see yourself. You check your level. You check your fluency. You check your grammar, where you are lack of, where you have to work, and what you have to work. Sometimes we need some motivation from other people who are also from village area. They tell you their story that how I became fluent in English. So everyone is struggling, guys. You are not a single person that okay, it's a hard nut to crack for me. This language is hard nut to crack for everyone. This language is not your enemy. But yes, you have to make this English language your friend. How you have to make? You know, you only you know. You know your interest. How I have to grab it? By listening, by reading, by talking, by anything. I cried and I was too much fascinated by this language. Though I gave up lots of time thinking that I can't learn this language. I live in village area and I have lots of work here. Nobody speaks in English. But uh, I didn't give up totally. I thought, okay, if I am helpless, it's okay. Whenever I will get time, I will utilize my time. And I started my 20 minutes, 10 minutes. Those 10 minutes, 20 minutes made me like this now. So, guys, I don't want to uh, say so many things. Actually, because all the people tell you that until you speak, you can't speak. You people are taking classes, maybe online, offline. You are spending lots of time, money, so many things. You are buying books online. But what you get end of the advice, as advice, you get speak. They are not going to speak instead of you. You have to speak. You have to find your mistake. You have to think what I need, what I don't need. So guys, in my opinion, start speaking and make this language easy for you. Don't run after advanced thing at the beginning, because when I started learning English, still I speak as if I am speaking Hindi. I got so many comments that sir, you speak basic English. So see, until you are perfect on basic English, you can't learn advanced thing. Suppose you are trembling with your basic English, you are unable to pronounce this word, you are unable to speak one line without hesitation. So but you are running after your advanced thing. So you have to go step by step, such as first thing first, you have completed your basic words, basic structures, and you are speaking now you are speaking, that now you are able to speak anything, whatever you did, whatever you do, whatever you will do, this thing, if you are able to speak, whatever is going around you, you can describe, it's enough. Now start talking to people, and nowadays it's really very easy to find people on like social media. If you get any person, start talking, because until you speak, you can't speak. So speak, guys. I speak all the time. I speak. I don't care about anyone. I don't care seeing other people that okay, look at his fluency. He is using great words, great idiom, great phrasal verbs. Why can't I? But I don't compare myself to them. I said okay, leave it. If they are speaking, okay, it's okay. But what I'm speaking, I have to care this thing. So now I'm able to speak this thing. Of course, sooner or later I'm going to grab lots of things by listening, by talking, by doing all the thing activities. So guys, end of the video, I would like to say that this is a language. No matter where you are, you have to start now, because if you really want to become fluent in English, you have to do hard work. No one can help in this. So open your mouth and start speaking. I know it's really very difficult. Uh, it's easier said than done. Saying it is easier said than done. That okay, you are speaking only, but I know how hard not to crack to practice in English being alone at home. I know, but look it, you are not single person. Lots of people have become fluent in English by themselves. They didn't have any environment, they didn't have any teacher, but they did hard work on it. So look at me, guys. I am also like one of them. I didn't have any teacher and institute, but I became by myself. I pushed myself. So now time has come to push yourself. So thank you so much, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe. I will motivate you. I will guide you. I will not let you stop to become fluent in English. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.